vlogs. So I am finally going on my dream mountain trip, Leh Ladakh, and today I'm going to show you exactly what I'm packing with me for this trip. Honestly, I have been planning and collecting things for this trip for the last 3 weeks. Right now, half of my bed is literally filled with all the things I'm going to carry with me. You can also see few things peeking in the frame itself. They have completely taken over my room. Trust me, when you go to a place like Leh, it's not just about cute outfits or cute clothes. It's about actual survival essentials. So let's get started with the most important things first. Because I have lot of things to show, so what I have done is I have categorized them. The first and the most important category is the medicines. Honestly, if you're planning a Ladakh trip, don't skip this part. First, I have Dimox. This is the number one medicine people recommend for altitude sickness. I will take it as recommended by my doctor, and I have heard it from so many people that it actually saved their trip. Crocin and Dolo. Fever and body aches are very common with climate change. Norfloxacin in case of stomach infection due to water or food. Zerodol, a stronger painkiller and a muscle relaxer just in case. Vomistop and Avomine if I feel nausea or vomiting due to the altitude or twisty mountain roads. Carrying Digene and Hajmola because the digestion becomes slow at high altitude. This may sound like overpacking, but in mountains you can't just walk to a chemist, so it's always better to carry your mini little pharmacy. A simple thermometer. In cold, you sometimes feel feverish, so it's better to check your temperature than just assuming it's altitude sickness. I heard from people that the oxygen levels can literally go low there. So I'm carrying an oximeter. So carrying an oximeter will help me track how my body is adjusting. I also have camphor with me. It's such an old school tip, but it works. If you feel short of breath or uneasy, just smelling camphor can give you quick relief. Air in Leh is extremely dry, so your nose can get blocked or even bleed. So I am carrying a nasal spray. This is something which I especially picked up for this trip. It's a lung breathing trainer. So you basically practice inhaling through resistance, which strengthens your lungs. Since oxygen is thinner in Leh, so I thought it's a good pre-trip prep gadget. Another very essential product is a portable oxygen cylinder. This one I can't carry in the flight, but I will definitely buy this locally once I reach there. Next I'm carrying is this electric heating bag. I think I can't survive Leh nights without this. It's like a mini heater. You can just keep it inside your blanket and you're good to go. Along with that, I also got these disposable warmers from Warmy. You just shake them and they stay hot for hours. Perfect to slip inside your gloves or jackets on those long drives. ORS and Electrol just to keep myself hydrated. Because of the dry air, there are high chances that you can get sore throat, so I am carrying some green tea and kadha. Next I have is this mini first aid kit with bandage, Dettol, cotton, all of those. A cough syrup and a mouthwash. Some sanitizer and tissue paper, you will definitely need them. Some wet wipes just to keep yourself clean on the go. I usually get lot of ear discomfort while landing and takeoff, so I ordered these earplugs from Amazon. I have an oily scalp, plus it's not possible to wash your hair every alternate day in freezing cold. So I am carrying this Dove dry shampoo. Just spray some on your roots and rub it and you're good to go. Lots of disposable masks, not just for hygiene, but the mountain roads are dusty and these will protect your lungs and throat. This flashlight, yes, we have flashlight in our phones, but at the high altitude the battery drains faster, so this one will come handy. This one's mainly for the girls. Pee safe stand and pee and toilet spray. Trust me, the washroom situation in the mountains is not always ideal, so this will come handy. Along with these, I have also bought a foldable privacy tent. I can use that for washroom or changing clothes on the go. These balms for headache or body pain. Vaseline petroleum jelly. This is going to be my holy grail. I am carrying so many things. I have limited space and I don't want to carry that heavy toiletry bag. So I got this small kit for my skincare. I will just fill these for the 7 days trip and I'll be good to go. It gets extremely sunny in the daytime and extremely cold at the night, so I'm carrying my sunscreens, body and face sunscreen, just to protect myself from that harsh sun rays. So now let's move to the second category, which is snacks and food, because long drives, remote areas, and you might not find food all the time. First, I'm carrying some Maggi packets. These are just for my late night cravings, and Maggi tastes even better in mountains. Then I have some soup packets. some energy bars, some dry snacks. These are travel friendly and don't spoil easily. Some dry fruits and nuts. Okay, so now let's talk about clothes, because in Leh it's not about fashion, it's about layering smartly. So when you are visiting such freezing cold areas, it's always good to layer smartly. So I am packing 2 pairs of thermal body warmers. These are going to be my base layer and these are lightweight and very effective. So in such areas your feet get cold fastest, so I am carrying 3 pairs of socks. I might add more to this. So I recently got this fleece jacket from Decathlon. It's lightweight but very warm and it's perfect for layering. Next we have these cute woolen gloves. I bought these on my trip to Kasol. It comes with half finger coverage and has a small cap over to cover your entire fingers. Next I have this woolen shawl or scarf to just give me that extra layer of warmth. Next again we have a base layer. It's a high neck and it's woolen, so it will give you enough warmth from inside. Again, it's a base layer. Next is this woolen cap. I got it from Decathlon. It's very cute and it also gives you enough warmth. Now let's talk about the outer layer. So I am carrying 2 jackets. One is this down jacket and it can protect you from cold up to 0 degrees. Next I am taking this puffer jacket which I got from H&M. It comes with a hood. It has white color and I really like the material. I have used it already in my Kasol trip and it really worked there. Let's see how does it work in Leh. But yeah, I'm counting on this. I have one more long coat which I bought from Zara last year, again for my Kasol trip. I'll see if I have enough space and I will need it. Then only I'll pack it, else I'll focus more on the base layers. For bottoms, I'm going to carry a pair of jeans and couple of snow pants. I've also got this trekking stick from Decathlon. Let's see how I'm going to use this. Now you must be wondering how I'm going to pack all this in my trolley bag. So for that, I'm going to use these vacuum storage bags. Bulky things like jacket, blanket, shawls will shrink down half the size. So it makes packing so much easier. So that's my complete detailed packing for Leh Ladakh. I know it looks like a lot, but when you are going to somewhere this extreme, it's better to be over prepared than under prepared. If you are planning a Leh trip, I hope this helps you make your own checklist. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe. I will be vlogging the entire trip. See you from the mountains.